Go.
Good afternoon. It is Friday, January 18th. We just finished, just a few minutes ago, we just finished our second week of the legislature. Things are just now starting to pick up. Dropped in the hopper, meaning jacketed and ready for committee assignment, were all the state bar bills. We dropped those on Wednesday. I look for them to be scheduled for hearing either next Wednesday or next Friday in House Judiciary. This morning, the Division of Insurance presented House Bill 1061, and which is the bill that expands three different types of captive insurance companies. The Board of Bar Commissioners supported that, and so I testified this morning. That bill came out unanimous, 13-zip, do pass. That was all in House State Affairs. Immediately following that hearing was Senate State Affairs, and they took up the Criminal Justice Task Force bill, which is Senate Bill 70. I indicated last week that the Bar Commissioners voted to support it, and they did support the bill. I testified in favor of the bill this morning with the caveat that because we represent all the lawyers in the state, the defense lawyers did not like the deletion of the right to have preliminary hearings in Class 1 misdemeanors, which is one line in that bill that does, while the prosecutors wanted that. So I simply advised the committee that we took no position on that particular issue, but overall we're very supportive of the bill itself. There will be apparently some fight down the road on what to do about the preliminary hearings. As it was, the bill passed out unamended. At least in that context, there was a small technical amendment that isn't relevant for our purposes, and is headed down to the Senate floor on a unanimous vote. One of the things that we try to do, in addition to passing our own bills, of course, is to watch out for bills that we are opposed to. I've been apprised that there will be a shared parenting bill submitted. We've defeated the shared parenting bill, which presumes a 50-50 split. And it also says a judge can't deviate from 50-50 unless by clear and convincing evidence. We've killed that 3 years in a row. They're bringing it back yet again. So to the extent that you perhaps attend a Cracker Barrel on a Saturday, or contact your legislator and just let them know that that bill is a bad bill in the sense that it puts the parents' interests ahead of that of the children. All 50 states currently have the best interests of a child standard. This bill would put the parents' interests ahead of that, and that's why we say it's bad policy. I've also been told that there will drop in a surrogate parenting bill that is similar to past years that we've killed, that would criminalize and forbid any type of surrogate parenting arrangement. We've always opposed that bill. We said reasonable regulation and predictability once a baby is born is certainly worth considering. And in fact, we have such a bill already in the legislature, although I'm moving it very, very slowly because I want to see how these other things work out. That's the update for the week. There'll be a lot more to report next week as more bills get dropped in, and we'll get considerably busier. On an unrelated note, I'm leaving right now to head downtown. Our motorcycle friends are in town. This was a bait day at the Capitol building, and as we all know, and slightly tongue-in-cheek, that motorcyclists are organ donors on wheels, and they've asked me to come down and present a seminar on wills, durable powers of attorney for healthcare, and also living wills. So I've got lots of exhibits, and I'm going to go down and do that. And then it'll be late Friday afternoon, and I'm going to go home and put blue jeans on. I'll work this weekend. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks for listening.